Built into the software are features and tools that use a live connection between the interactive flat panel and another electronic device. This means students can actively participate using their own smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Let's walk through an example. In the toolbar, notice the student interaction icon. Let's say a teacher wants to get a feel for the overall mood of her class. With the Open Question tool, this simple task becomes an engaging activity. Just enter a question and initiate the live connection. Students can connect by scanning the QR code or entering the PIN at the URL. Once everyone's connected, the teacher can ask the question and student answers will populate in real time. When ready, click to reveal answers and student names if desired. The orange indicator shows there's a live connection and indicates the number of students. From here, the teacher can start another activity, manage the current session, or end it.